Hello. Crazy Rebecca dances with pit bulls. Here with number 6, my 100 Things Challenge. I honestly made an effort to film myself putting this journal together. I tried 4 times and I finally gave up. While my phone was charging again, I just went ahead and finished it with one signature. As you may recall, this is for my brother, Mr. Harvard. So it's got graph paper and lined paper, a little bit of Star Wars. Put Darth there. And the alien embryo from the front, because he went to Rossville Alvin Grade School, which is where this book, I guess, originally came from. And I have a few more decorations to put in it, so that's all you're getting today. I am so very sorry, so very sorry. I am blaming the weather because it went, from freezing cold to 85 degrees with humidity. So, yeah. There's that. Today is meeting day at work. I'm thrilled. Or not thrilled, I should say. This is a fast neutron chopper, aka UFO spaceship. Looks like a neutron is one of nature's building blocks. Why would you want to chop them? I don't know. This is a modern still, in case he wants to make some whiskey, some corn liquor, some moonshine. This is the dictionary definition of science, scientific, and scientist. A modern balance. the back said the standard unit of weight in Babylon was sleeping ducks. Okay, I asked him his favorite Star Wars character, and he said Anakin Redeemed. So in case you don't know, that's Darth Vader. He was Anakin Skywalker, Luke's father. And I have one more quote to print off. And I think that'll be it. Because I noticed I shrunk it down a little. Well, it took some of the words off. What is up with that? What is up with that? So this is the last picture. See where it... Yeah. So I'm going to reprint that. It's going to go like, I don't know, somewhere. And that's all I got today. But may today be awesome. And may the force be with you. And please subscribe. I need friends. I think that's it, because I'm like out of time and stuff, and I got stuff to do and I gotta go. So welcome to Juan's short video. Bye.